In this video today, I'm going to fit a toe and eye to the Mini.
It's a job site.
Right, first things first, get the car jacked up on axle stands, which I've done. And what we're going to do now is take this bolt out here. There we go.
Once again I lost some audio. Well, I lost all of it due to people walking past, neighbours and what have you. So I had to keep stopping recording and I forgot to turn the mic on. What I've showed you there is a spring washer and a flat washer. Unfortunately you do not get these in the kit. So first of all I put the spring washer over the bolt, followed by the flat washer. So the flat washer effectively is sitting against the teardrop subframe mount. Then screwed the toe and eye on by hand, followed by tightening up with the spanner. Once it was tight, the extension socket was used just to hold the toe and eye nice and straight while I tightened it up further with the spanner. And as you can see there at the back, that's it fully fitted and it looks quite tidy, I would say. As you can see there, the toe and eye is hidden by the overrider, which is not ideal if I ever do have to use the toe and eye. If that's the case, what I'll need to do is unbolt the bumper to tow the car with. It's only 3 bolts, so it's not a major hardship. Also, with the bumper back on, I took Dave Jaguar's advice and raised it up by putting a couple of washers under each of the 3 studs that go down into the front panel. Now the reason for doing this is to allow the water to escape from the back of the bumper when it's raining, and that should hopefully stop the front panel from rotting out, because they are quite bad for water getting trapped behind the bumper on these cars. So guys, once again, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching and I'll see you again. Bye for now.